Hello and welcome on this new midweek analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also, we are, as the Forex traders, we are actually really early birds. As we can see, I'm making this video to you at 4:38 a.m. So for that, I really hope that we can get some likes, at least. If you don't want to comment, that's totally fine, but at least some likes for the effort we're doing for everybody on this channel for free. Anyway, my friends, it's a pleasure always to help you, and I hope always I will be able to assist you with the good signals. And let's now see what we can do with these signals which I have sent last Saturday, and let's follow up with them. Actually, I will follow up first with the EURUSD. So right now, as you can see, the EURUSD, my friends, is rising and getting closer to the take profit level, but sadly, my entry hasn't been triggered. So now what's next with this pair? First of all, we will stay on the 4-hour time frame because we have already analyzed the pair based on the weekly and daily chart earlier last Saturday. So now, based on the 4-hour time frame, we have actually a really good entry that we can actually be waiting for, which actually right here, as we can see, right here exactly, we have a broken level of a resistance, trend line number 1, 2, 3, and finally 4. So right here we have, of course, the bullish breakout candle from that level of a resistance trend line. That means that right now the EURUSD, after facing this level of a resistance right here exactly at the bracket of 1.11, most likely right now the EURUSD is going to start the pullback to retest that broken level of a resistance trend line. Now the interesting thing is we have right here also a previous level of a key support, which actually we can rely on to rebuy the EURUSD again. Why? Because the market, first of all, is going to retest the broken level of a resistance trend line, plus, of course, respecting the previous level of a key support right here, which was, of course, the nearest one to that bullish breakout candle. That's my strategy in trading Forex. Always look for the bullish breakout candle from a resistance, then look at the left side to find the nearest level of a real support, and that can be found exactly right here at 1.110. And that will be actually our next buy level. And of course, I will adjust the take profit level to be at 1.118. And the safe zone in this case shouldn't be ranging lower than the bottom of a real support, which is right here. Right here exactly. Let me just make sure it's more accurate. My eyes is actually focusing right here at that level of a resistance, which was also a key resistance in the past right here, and a real level of a support as well. So that's going to be our new safe zone. Just gonna be like this. I'm just doing it right in front of you, my friends. 1 second, I will pause the recording. And there goes our new deal on the EURUSD. Let's now move to the pound USD. Alright, now before we continue, I forgot to remind you that this week, my friends, we are actually waiting, today, we are waiting the core retail sales and news, which actually might affect these signals. But however, I believe we can just expect a reaction only, not really changing in the direction. However, what might make a change is tomorrow the FOMC statements, and again, I feel like you guys already feel boring with me saying that, but we are waiting for Mr. Jerome Powell to announce the new cuts in the interest rates. So again, that might make a big hit on the dollar, so we can expect actually change in these signals. So again, be sure to join, of course, our free group of Telegram right here to receive any updates and warnings about this news. I will warn you right here. No, warn you. I will send you a reminder. No need to say warning. I will send you a reminder here on my free group of Telegram about this news. So you will be actually updated, and hopefully you will be careful with your trades. And again, do not leave any trade running at the time of the news. It's really gambling, in my opinion. Anyway, that's my disclaimer about the news. Let's now continue with the pound USD. So as you can see, this pair has already hit the take profit level. So that means that we have to find now a new entry for our signal. Actually, it's really similar now to the EURUSD. So right here, of course, we have a broken level of a resistance trend line. As you can see right here, attempt number 1, number 2, and the bullish breakout candle. So now we have to look for the next entry to rebuy the pound USD again. Now, looking at the left side, we can confirm that right here exactly, we have here the nearest level of a real support to that bullish breakout candle. So let's just scan, a quick scan right here. We can notice that we have here a resistance, and there lies the nearest level of a support to that bullish breakout candle. And that is going to be a perfect entry. If the market will continue the fall, it will not only retest the broken level of a resistance, but also respect the previous level of a support. And that makes it really a good entry. And To be honest, I did not check this before recording. I believe, of course, it's obvious that Fibonacci retracement shows us that this is above 61.8. Yeah, way above it. However, we can say that our entry can almost be exactly right there at Fibonacci 61.8. Let me just adjust it exactly. So right now, the market has actually made a bullish breakout from 61.8. And as we can see, it almost matches with our Fibonacci retracements with our previous level of a real support. So that's going to be the next level where we can rebuy the pound USD again, targeting the highest level of a real resistance at 1.326, expecting around 85 pips of profit. By the way, I forgot the EURUSD. How many pips? EURUSD, we are looking for around 75 pips of profit, and the safe zone that ranges only for 22 pips, which is really good, huh? And pound USD, the safe zone, if we place our buy order as Fibonacci 61.8, it shouldn't be lower than the previous level of a real support right here exactly. So that is going to be our safe zone. And let me just edit the entry to be at 1.317. Oops, 17. And the take profit level, that should be only at 326. And there goes our signal, my friends, for the pound USD. Let's now move to the AUDUSD. Alright, so now AUDUSD is also similar to the other previous two pairs. As we can see, the pair has almost kissed our take profit level. So now what's next with this pair? We will just simply, and again, wait for the market to make a bullish breakout from that level of a resistance trend line. And as we can see right here, we have also a previous level of a real support. And we can actually wait to for the AUDUSD to fall right here, and then we can just rebuy it. I mean, it's just really just the same. I feel like I'm repeating myself with the same analysis on all of the pairs. Let me just do it right in front of you quickly. We will just rebuy the pair exactly at 0.671. Of course, by the way, my friends, I'm targeting to make the videos not so much boring by that. So I really hope it's not boring at all. I hope so. If it's not boring, please let me know in the comments so I know you didn't skip this part, because I have seen some people, they don't even watch the video. They just skip to the signals and just write it down without even watching the analysis. Anyway, we are aiming 75 pips of profit with the AUDUSD, a safe zone that ranges for around 25 pips only. Let's now move to the USDCAD. All right, so USDCAD is different. It's actually gonna be triggered very soon. The market has reversed just like 7 pips far away from my entry. So again, USDCAD signal is still valid, and I still believe that the market has a chance to respect that level of a previous resistance. So again, this signal just remains the same. Let's now move to the NZDUSD. And now for the NZDUSD, and I would like to stay on the daily chart. As you can see right now, the pair has also moved all the way right here, very near to our take profit level, but reversed right before it. However, since the NZDUSD is just really similar to the AUDUSD, I'm just gonna make it short. I feel boring myself. I'm bored. So based on the 4-hour time frame, again, we are waiting for the pair to fall all the way right here to the support at 0.616, and we can rebuy the pair exactly right there, and that's going to be a good entry for many reasons. Number one, it's going to be respecting this level of a real support trend line, as we can see, and also right here we have if I apply the magic of trend lines, I can simply draw here, of course, a support trend line like this level. On this level of a support trend line, and just simply drag the same line, move it, and just simply place it right here at the nearest level of a real support trend line, which lies exactly right here. It became a resistance trend line, a support trend line as well, resistance trend line. So now, if the pair will continue to fall, most likely it will be respecting the same level as a new support trend line, and afterward it will continue to rise. Boring, boring, boring. Anyway, our take profit level is gonna be at 0.625. So let me just now edit this take profit level to be at 0.625, and the safe zone that also shouldn't be ranging. 1 second, let me just delete this one right here and raise my line to be right here exactly. Fantastic. Yes, just like that. 0.616 is gonna be our new entry. That's everything for the NZDUSD. Let's move to the USDCHF. All right. Oops. Actually, I have left my analysis. So actually, USDCHF, my friends, based on daily chart, is showing a strong bearish momentum. So I believe now we can actually analyze it based on the 4-hour time frame, and we can actually just expect a few pips from this trade. Let me just show you what we can do next with this pair. So first of all, based on the 4-hour time frame, we have here, of course, a resistance trend line that seems to be respected. As you can see, attempt number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then barely an attempt of a support trend line. We can even call it as a fake breakout. The market has actually respected the same level as a resistance trend line, sorry. So right here, resistance trend line number 1. And now we can expect from the USDCHF to continue the rise to reach resistance trend line number 2. And that, in my opinion, gonna be a good entry to resell this pair, considering that on the left side here, we have also a strong key level of a resistance as well. So therefore, we can actually sell the USDCHF exactly right here. Let me just be sure and accurate. Exactly. Right here at 0.847, we are waiting for this pair to rise to reach this level of a resistance. And our safe zone shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous level of a key resistance right here exactly at 0.850. Targeting, of course, the bottom of the support exactly just right there at 0.840. So you can call it like a scalping signal. We are aiming 67 pips only from this signal, and a safe zone that ranges for 30 pips only. Let me please now write this signal for you. And there goes our signal, my friends, for the USD pairs for the remaining days of this week. Again, please be careful about the core retail sales news and the FOMC statement tomorrow. Do not keep any of these threads running. And remember, they are so subjective to the news. And also, again, another reminder to join our free group of Telegram. Of course, you can find the link to join this channel in the description below of this video. Or you can just simply look it up right here, Xtreme Trader Signals. And please avoid the fake channels who pretends to be extreme trader, specifically a broker who actually calls himself extreme trader, and sadly he fools the customers telling them that I am extreme trader, I am seller, deposit your money in my broker, and of course once they deposit, the money is gone, they have lost it. So again, they cannot of course withdraw it. He's a scammer, he's a thief. So you have guys to be careful about him and do not trust him at all. We as Xtreme Trader, we are only a Forex educational channel. We only sell Forex signals and that's it. We don't do any funds management. We don't do any account management at all. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you and I would like to thank you for watching.